Dear student, myself Ajay Gupta and welcome you in Mathematics Lecture 9. Before starting your lecture, an important notice for you. If shop opening in your area, then please purchase your book. It is help to complete your work. That means अगर आपके एरिया में बुक्स की शॉप ओपन हो रही है तो प्लीज़ वहाँ से अपना बुक्स परचेज कर लीजिए और उससे होमवर्क सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Thank you. Now begin our topic. Law of exponent for real numbers. This is the last topic of your chapter first, number system. In this topic, we study about the exponential laws. First law of exponent: if the base are same, then their exponent will be sum or add. For example, a power m into a power n, their base is same, then their exponent will be add. Similarly, a power m multiplied by n, so a power m into n. If a power n divided by a power n, their base is same, so their exponent will be subtract. If their base are different, then we use m as a common exponent. And one important, this is the very important, if zero is exponent of any number, we get 1. For example, 2 by 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0, we get 1. 9999 power 0, we get already always 1. This is the important law. Some example: 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. This is the same, so you can write 2 power 3 plus 4. We get 2 power 7. Now you can find the value of 2 power 7. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 7. 1 2 3 4 5 7. Sorry. So 2 power 7 means 2 multiplied 7 times. Continue. We get 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. To the 128. Similarly, this question, 2 power 3. In this, apply that formula: a power n is equal to a power m into n. We get 2 power 6. Now you can find this answer. For this, we can use 2 power 4 minus 3. Applying this formula, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus 1. Why we apply this formula? Because their base is same. So we get 2 power 1, that means 2. Some other important formula of exponent for any irrational numbers. This is a irrational number written as a power 1 by n. This can be written as this. And one important formula: if any number written to this side, you can write it as a power 1 by 2. So trying to solve this, 64 power 1 by 2. This can be written as 8 power 2 power 1 by 2. because 64 is equal to 8 into 8, and 8 into 8 can be written as 8 power 2. So 64 written as 8 power 2. 8 power 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, we get 8 at its answer. And from this formula we can write it as 64, we get 8 square we get 8. This is the second method you can apply to find any problems. Next, 2 power 2 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3. Their base is same, so we can add their exponents. 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 power, their denominator is same, so we can easily add 2 plus 1 by 3, or we can write 2 power 3 by 3, we get 2 power 1 can be written 2. This is your answer. Now this is the homework and trying to solve yourself. Thank you.